Hello. There's a smudge on the lamp. What? Hello, and welcome to another video. Yeah. So, I decided, so we were out.
This is me realizing I cannot salvage my sentence.
So we were outside picking up some trash that was sitting over in our yard for a long time, and the grass grew up like pretty high, probably not up to your head, but it was pretty high. So we were cleaning it all up, putting it in the truck, and I decided to save some stuff to build something. And I've been wanting to build an obstacle course, so I'm going to build an obstacle course. Originally I wanted to build a Ninja Warrior course, but that'd be really hard, maybe one day. So this will be day one of me building a obstacle course. I'm not really sure. I have no blueprints, no plans. I mean, I have plans. Yeah, you need plans. I have plans, and I'm just gonna build it. I'm gonna build it. Now, there's a few problems. Is one, we don't have the drill right now. It's at our store, so I'm going to just do what I can without the drill. And also, we broke our tripod. The cats broke our tripod. So, yeah, so I think I'm just gonna build what I can, or get this stuff ready to build. So let me get my gloves. So, ready to go. Okay, so we need some wood. And I'm not exactly sure which types we're gonna need. This is full of grass. Also, my mom does not think I'm gonna get this done because this has been sitting here for like 2 years, but I never decided I wanted to do something with it. Now it looks like all we have is 2x4s. I thought there was some 4x4s in here, but I think I can still work with it. Hello? Doug. Hello, Beignet. Hello, Marie.
This is me when I see a wasp nest on the board. And this is me trying to crush the wasp nest on the board. And this is me showing off.
Okay, so it's good wood and stuff, but it is 2x4, so I don't know if I can make it where it will stand up when you're trying to lean against it. So I'm trying to make something to vault over. And when you're vaulting, you do put some pressure on whatever you're vaulting over, and it would knock down if I left it the way it was. So I think I'm gonna dig underground and stick it in there. So it won't be movable. Once we put it where it's going, you can't move it. Now, this noisy thing is going to be like a wall. So, yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
This is me realizing I did not bring a pencil and I'm way too lazy to go get the pencil, so I find something else instead. This is me using a screw to scratch where I need to cut the board. And this is me when I realized that the saw was at the store too, so I had some waiting to do. And this is me attempting to cut through the board with my hand. Nah, I'm kidding, but I was very bored.
So yeah, the saw is at the store too. I have some texting to do, and that might be the end. I think they'll be back in time, so this won't be the end of the video. But the video will cut off now if it is the end of the video. Ready? Well, I guess it didn't end because we're here with the drill stuff. Works. Alright, now let me put my finger here and make sure it cuts good. It done died. What? Ah. but it's pretty flat. I think I did pretty good.
So, this is me when I did not have the measuring tape, so I went over to see how tall I would like this board. Yeah, I'm lazy.
I'm gonna use this as a tripod. Let's see if there's any wasps. Doesn't look like it. See how tall this is. Okay, so it won't be this tall, it'll go under the ground. About there, I think. So I got these boards, and then this board, and I think I can start like screwing them together because I got the drill. Well, it's a lot wider than I thought, but also keep in mind it's not this tall. It's probably going to cut off there, maybe right here to go under the ground. Yeah, so I think I got these flush. I don't know, I didn't use any fancy tools. Anyways, now I just gotta find which screws to use. Is that rooster be quiet? But yeah, this is not quite long enough. I can work with this. Welp, here it is. Ish. It's not done yet. Now what's left is we gotta find the place to put it.
Yup, crack. This is me when I hear a huge crack, and this is me when I am testing the shovel because I'm worried that my parents will never allow me to dig with a shovel by myself again.
So I think that might be deep enough. I also heard my shovel crack. I couldn't find the crack, but I heard that. Still very tall.
This is me realizing the camera cannot see me.
I mean, maybe. I think I should go a little deeper. I should have done that a long time ago. That went deep down there pretty quickly. I think I'm gonna go get a leveler. For some reason, I can't find my confidence in doing this. It works, but it's a lot harder to do than the gate that I mostly do it on. So this comes up to almost my shoulder, and let me show you the gate that I always jump over.
This is me showing off that I can do a clean vault, it's just much harder with a higher structure.
I need to drill this. That's danger. That is danger. So I used the wrong size screw. What I'm gonna do is probably hammer this down, and then I'm going to use right screws down there. So first let me hammer this down so that it will be safe. So while I was hammering it down, look what happened. This happened. It fell off. It like broke.
This is me realizing I used the wrong screw again.
I have to say it looks pretty good from this side, but I think it just needs a wash. Slippery mud. So there it is. Low battery on the camera. It's very hurry. So I didn't finish cleaning this. It's a lot better than what it was. And next time, I'm gonna add a board right here so we can jump over this fence and then continue throughout the rest. So we'll see what we can do next time. And also, I'm gonna learn better tricks off of here than just a spin. But yeah, it actually looks pretty good too. The reason I left this hole, just so you can get an idea what's on the other side, just in case anything goes wrong. I think I'm pretty proud of it. I think I'll get better at it too. See you next time, people. Thanks for dropping by.